Today I am going to do a quick little warm-up. It's called swing, swing, set it down to activate your posterior chain and the muscles in the backside. And then I'm going to do a Tracy Rifkin RKC. It's called a roundabout. And it's something that makes it more variety. It's 2 doubles, 2 singles, 2 singles. And you just keep repeating the roundabout. It looks like this. Swing, 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 set it out. That's my warm-up. Watch the feet. I'm walking on those feet. I got those feet anchored. That's why I'm bare feet. I prefer bare feet anyway. Swing, 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 set it out. Hop back up, lock your hips. One more time. Swing, 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 set it out. And this is a Tracy Rifkin roundabout. And you can divide it up during the day or do it all at once. You can do 5, 10, 15 minutes, whatever your resistance and your level of fitness is. So swing, swing, swing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, lock that shoulder in, 1, 2, off the hips, rotate, lock the shoulder into 2, switch sides, lock it in, transfer to the center, 1, 2, back, lock it in, rotate, lock that shoulder in the socket, 1, 2, I'm getting my heart rate up, burning those calories, 1, 2, 1, 2, getting strength and endurance. How many more times you want? 2. How many more do you need? 1, 2, 1, 2, switch sides, 1, 2, transfer to the center, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that was your warm-up, your backside, posterior chain, and a roundabout. This is the Kettlebell Lady of Iron with Kettlebell Plus 360. Please subscribe. Until next time. And now I'll catch my breath.
Yeah, you are puffing good. Yeah, that's what happens, folks. That's what an exercise does, and it's good for you, right?
Builds the immune system, strength, endurance, and burns those calories. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.